You're just like me, I'm just like you. You already know what we gon' do. We gon' rock, 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 rock. Pretty lady, rock, 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 rock.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Timothy De La Ghetto, DJ J Doug on the beat. Yeah. A little song for all the couples out there. All my grown and sexy people that have a grown and sexy person right with them. This little story about how me and my sexy lady came together. Ileana, this for you, baby. Happy Valentine's Day. A few months ago, I was doing my thing when Cupid came through, flew down on his wings. I said I'd never settle down, and I knocked on wood. Then Cupid did a flyby, and he got me good. So this is the story all about how my heart got hit and began to pound like a beatbox. Listen, you could hear the sound of me skipping down the street for 50 miles around. She was a little Latin lady with a frame petite. Walked in a CPK, I thought she came to eat, but she came to get a job. Hi, my name's Trey Feek. I tried to spit my game, but my game was weak. She was a K-Rock chick and I was 105.9. She liked rocker boys and I liked to write rhymes, but I didn't back down, I remained persistent. And I hit up my boy Cupid for a little assistance. Cupid, please draw back your bow. Aim an arrow, release one and let one go through the heart of my baby Miss Tinoco, so she can kick it with me while I kick my flow. Cupid, please draw back your bow. Aim an arrow, release one and let one go through the heart of my baby Miss Tinoco, so she can kick it with me while I kick my flow. I said let's get some ice cream, but my hopes got melted. The feeling of rejection, please believe I felt it. Now I'm looking at Cupid to please flying again, cause I dusted myself off and I was trying again. I said hi every day, began to flirt and mingle. Got stuck in her mind like a commercial jingle. Almost gave up, man, I thought my feelings were through, till she started flirting back. Is she feeling me too? Rumors started spreading around like some kind of disease. That boy Tim is a pimp, or that girl is a tease. Finally I got the number and I gave her a call. Talked for hours like, hey, we're not that different at all. I'd bring her Shirley Temples and a bag of cookies. Playing around at work, to the back she took me. Looked into her eyes, I knew the feeling was real. Grabbed her hips, kissed her lips, and I sealed the deal. Cupid, please draw back your bow.